If you are wondering if you can play PUBG on OnePlus 15R, then the answer is yes, you should be able to play the game without any issues whatsoever. The game runs really well, really smoothly from the beginning. You don't even have to go through all of these different settings in order to adjust the graphics, for example. However, of course, you can do so in case you want to get more out of it. The chipset on this phone is really great, and it's more than enough in order to play the game. Now, I'm gonna also go to the settings in here and choose graphics in order to show you how it looks like right after the installation. So these are the standard graphics. We have the graphics set to balance for combat, and the frame rate is set to extreme. Of course, we can go to customize over here, and you can change things around in order to make it look even better in case you want to get more out of the game. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.